Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to the channel. Don't have a whole lot of time tonight. Tonight is football night and tomorrow is football night. It is the homecoming parade tonight, along with a pep rally for the boys to get them all psyched up for this season. This weekend is our homecoming game, so my son is in junior high ball, but he still likes to go and participate and support his team and his school. So I just wanted to do a quick video and see if you can hear this vibrating within this isspro gauges. It just is annoying as all hell as you're driving down the road and you hear that thing vibrating, especially if you have the radio down and you're just driving, trying to clear your thoughts. I did not have time to call isspro today and get their feedback on it, but you know, this is my second gauge I've had to put in as far as, you know, the live fuel gauge. I like live fuel gauges, but after having to deal with that, sorry, camera's going the other direction. Having to deal with that is just getting really annoying. I don't really know what I'm going to do yet as far as you know, what I'm going to do. I don't know. It has to be something to do with the rotating assembly within the gauge. I'm sure the fuel pressure or the fuel comes in the back of the gauge, it spins some gears, yada yada. I have no idea, but anyway, just trying to get things figured out to get this fixed. So like I said, tonight's football night, tomorrow's the game for him over in St. Mary's, Ohio. So I'm going to be pretty tied up as far as football for tonight and tomorrow. And then probably Friday also with our homecoming game for the high school. So we like to go and show our support to our local school also. So like I said, just wanted to do this video so you guys can hear that vibrating and see what you think. Isn't that just the most annoying sound in the world as you're driving down the road? I did it in my driveway. Actually, I was sitting there idling before I left. So, if you guys got any inclination or any comments, suggestions, whatever, you know, put it in the description below. Let me know. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to buy another gauge or see if isspro send me a new live gauge, whatever. This gauge was purchased new from Diesel Auto Power. It was an open package that they had. The gauge was new. They just needed the installation kit or the line set that was inside. So they had this gauge sitting around. They didn't know what to do with it, and I needed it, so I purchased it from Diesel Auto Power. Probably, I don't know, less than a year ago. So, like I said, the gauge was brand new. The only thing that was missing out of it was the line set, and you know, I didn't need that. I had everything I needed up there already. So anyway. I gotta figure something out. So anyway, I do it also. One other thing, I appreciate it very much to everybody who has subscribed. I have reached 500 subscribers. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed and become part of the family. It's greatly appreciated. If you have not already done so, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, and become part of the family. Pretty much all I have, so I'll talk to you guys later on. Until next time, later on. Bye-bye.